So this Malibu's rear coil spring is no longer springy. Let's get it out of there. Really easy. So first things first, get your vehicle up on jack stands, and then you're going to want to place the jack underneath this lower control arm. It's a spring, so it's under pressure. So you're going to locate your bolt, just right here. 18mm bolt head, right back here with the 6-inch extension. And 18mm, there's this. Okay, that's that. Now we'll see if it wants to come out nicely. Now, lower control arm. We're just going to lower it gently. If you have to beat it with the hammer, beat it with the hammer. There's that. Just lift down on that, and the top of the spring, which you cannot see, is held on by this rubber grommet. So you just want to, usually I like to mark, I would like to mark where the spring is sitting on here, but you can't because the bottom somehow is wrapped up around there. So essentially just put your foot right here. Oh, there we go. Got it. All right, done. Get your new one. Get your new Made in Mexico one. Put your rubber grommet back up or in. Now you just reverse. This one's obviously going to be a lot taller than the other one because I gotta jack the car up higher. Now the car's up higher. Oh, get the top rubber grommet on. There we go. Just angle that. I'm gonna grease that just to help it slide more. I was hoping it would just go on, but that's what I get for hoping. There. The spring is obviously going to be a lot more powerful than the last one, so just expect some force. Okay, there we go. Okay, having a hard time. That's why a pry bar comes in handy. There we go. All All right. Just got to work with getting it lined up, that's all. Okay, that's pretty much lined up. All right, so that sucked. That took a very long time. Because getting these two lined up took a lot of force. I mean, okay, it wasn't terrible, it was just time consuming. You're going to need a 6-inch extension, a deep socket. There you go. And you will need a hammer, 18mm wrench, and some grease. Grease helped slide it on there nicely. There you go, that's what it looks like now. Nice and pretty. Alright, let's get the next side done, and hope you liked the video. Thumbs up, subscribe, you know what to do. Drop a comment down below, and see you next time.